The Cough. On a nice November day in Minetown, there were 4 miners. They all decided to have a meal. They were not whiners. Then, when Bob let out a sneeze, everyone said, "Hey, mind your manners." They all left, and Jack said, "It's a good day, so we will be kinder."